Today we are learn some animals name in English. Buffalo,
Buffalo,
cat,
cat,
dog,
dog,
goat,
goat,
dinosaur,
dinosaur,
giraffe,
giraffe,
horse,
horse,
jackal,
jackal,
kangaroo,
kangaroo,
King Kong,
king kong,
lion,
lion,
monkey,
monkey,
ox,
ox,
pig,
pig,
rhino,
rhino,
tiger,
tiger,
snake,
snake,
fox,
fox,
yak,
yak,
hippopotamus,
hippopotamus,
deer,
deer,
cow,
cow,
mouse,
mouse,
rabbit,
rabbit,
camel,
camel,
duck,
duck,
zebra.
zebra.
Thank you.
Thank you.